I'm going to end this interview with a quick rapid fire जो मैं आपके साथ खेलने वाली हूँ. सबसे पहला सवाल है कि चेस में अगर आप एक किरदार एक प्लेयर होती तो what player would you like to pick?
Queen, obviously. Oh, मैं कभी भी किसी को डॉट डॉट डॉट.
If you could describe your life as a title of a film, what would it be called?
Can you give me some film options? Can't think of any right now.
कभी खुशी कभी गम,
और
हम साथ साथ हैं, और दिल तो बच्चा है जी.
दिल तो बच्चा है जी. साला ये बच्चा ना कुछ भी करवा लेता है आपसे.
Okay, one habit you've picked up recently that you're absolutely proud of.
I used to have this habit a couple of years ago. I used to journal. And I realized कि when you stop journaling ना, and when you're getting too attached to worldly things, होता है आपका mind and body off sync हो जाता है. So when you start journaling, I also have a very bad memory. Okay, there are times where I don't recognize people's faces.
Oh.
Yeah, it's नायरा तू मुझे भूल गई. I'm so sorry. फिर मेरे को चैट देखना पड़ता है कि अच्छा हमने आपसे बात की. Okay, I'm so sorry. आपको डायलॉग.
So you need like a face recognition on your face, like identifying कौन है ये.
हाँ, अगर कोई इंसान आउट ऑफ साइट है मेरा तो सच में आउट ऑफ माइंड हो जाता है.
Great. So, what's your guilty pleasure when you're not working?
Lots of fudge, chocolates, cakes, pastries, pizzas, but that is every day.
हाँ.
That's an everyday.
इससे अभी मौका चाहिए था.
हाँ. तो वो everyday ही है. Only when I work, I start working out crazily. उसके 4 दिन पहले से I start my dieting.
Okay.
Because see, the thing is, my body also tells me that देख नायरा तूने 2 दिन दबा के खाया है. चुपचाप आज कुछ मत खा. And you know, just be active and all. So I don't really blow up out of proportion ever.
Okay.
But yeah, my body tells me when to start again.
Big Boss का एक perception है that color face जो होते हैं वो always have a higher chance of winning. So do you think that in this season Vivian or Isha have a chance?
Did you forget I'm a colorless face? Did you forget that I did
You
Khatro
don't
Ke
want to-
Khiladi? I did Peshachni. I did Big Boss. Did you forget?
You don't want to go back na as wild card.
But then if they could have saved me, right?
ठीक है. Who are you rooting for to win? चलो ये बता दो.
Automatically it's going to be Vivian. But there is nobody else I'm kind of rooting him for. There is nobody actually.
Strong statement मारा है लड़की ने.
Yeah, because सब लोग ही मुझे उतने deserving नहीं लगता है. मुझे अविनाश, I think he knows the game really well. तो एक तरफ में उसको बन जाता है.
Okay. Checkmate के कौन से किरदार से आपकी सबसे ज्यादा दोस्ती हुई है?
मेरी तो शालीन, मुझे सब तीनों के साथ एक्चुअली. शालीन के साथ मेरे बहुत सीन्स थे एंड इवन रोहित के साथ बहुत सीन्स थे. आई थिंक शालीन के साथ मेरा ज्यादा हुआ है.
Name 2 things you want to achieve in 2025.
I want to go to a Europe trip.
Okay.
I've never been.
Alright, that's
Never,
one.
yeah.
Second,
I want to relive my memories in USA.
lovely. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the following names? सबसे पहले अविनाश मिश्रा,
Very, very intelligent and smart.
करणवीर मेहरा,
He is the trigger, but he does not play on the front foot.
okay? Vivian Risana,
Smart.
Isha Singh.
Full brain.
Do you wish that you had started your career differently?
No, because I'm a law graduate. I was intending to practice law, and I used to take part in a lot of cultural activities, and I used to always get picked for certain projects. Like randomly people used to come and tell me that you look nice and you should give it a try and short like that. तो ये तो मैंने बहुत हल्के में start किया था अपना फिल्मी career, बहुत हल्के में, because I never took it seriously. I have nobody in my family who is from this industry. So हल्के में start किया, then I started realizing that people really like me and they find my looks very different and stuff like that. So then I gained interest and then I took it very seriously.
Alright. Have you regretted signing a project ever?
Yes, a couple of them I did.
Do you think Big Boss is scripted?
I think it definitely stretches some people's journey who has done something in the first week. It's kind of brutal when it comes to not letting people take a little bit of time. You know, I would have been a very, very different player. I wouldn't be somebody who would be very crassily aggressive, but in a very different way. Yeah. Like if you know about my ring task and things, so I would not be like them. I would do things very differently, very intelligently, and people would find it difficult to decode me. So it was that thing. But I think Big Boss did not give that time,
Yeah.
he's a little brutal.
Big Boss is little brutal.
Very brutal.
मिल गया हमको हमारा टैगलाइन गाइस. थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत बढ़िया था. फाइनली इफ यू कुड मीट नीलम फ्रॉम चेकमेट इन रियल लाइफ, तो उनकी ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी आप लेना पसंद करती?
वो जो पल पल में स्विच होती है ना, ये जो स्विच है इस पूरे सीजन में आई थिंक 6th एपिसोड में आता है, 6th एपिसोड में आता है. शी स्विचेस एंड हाउ, एंड इट्स लाइक आप जो अब तक देख रहे थे, इट इज कंप्लीटली उल्टा ऑफ व्हाट यू इवन थॉट.
या
सो इन लाइफ कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, आप जब कुछ चीजें ऑब्जर्व कर लेते हो या कुछ चीजें समझ जाते हो, आपको इमोशनल बैगेज को हटा के स्विच करना जरूरी है. यू हैव टू टेक अ स्टेप, यू हैव टू टेक दैट स्टेप.
या थैंक यू सो
We
मच.
procrastinate a lot in life,
That's
which
true.
we should not.
Naya, that was amazing. I had a fun chat with you. Thank you
Same
so
here.
much, and all the very best. क्या आ रहा है next? You want to tell us any new project you want to give a shout out?
Yes, I am doing a very, very renowned series for a very good platform, for a very, very renowned platform. It's going to release in Jan end. Then there is a movie release of mine with Ashutosh Rana. So yeah, these two projects right now.
Thank you guys for watching us on Bollywood Hungama.